What's up, Zed Gear family? Man, what a year it has been, 2024. From all the thrilling spin events that we had to the insane drag racing competitions, it has been a really awesome year for us here at Zed Gear. And of course, none of this would have been possible without you guys, our community of petrolheads who continue to fuel our journey.
So today we're taking a moment to reflect on the highlights that brought us together this year. So sit back, enjoy the memories, and join us as we celebrate the incredible energy of Zed Gear.
One more year!
To Zed Gear podcast. This is episode 3.
What's up, guys?
Track one. This is the
What an amazing ride it has been!
I just want to tell you something. Zed Gear is not a contender, and we're happy to inform you that now Zed Gear is ZMSA officially affiliated.
Only a lion can survive. Don't a chimbu.
And that means that we're moving to hosting our own events that you all love to attend.
So as you can see, I have been busy, hard at work, trying to put all the cars together. There were Babas back on the road, including the BAT 555. As for the year 2025, I will be official Zed Gear Motorsport Club driver. We are open to add more drivers to the team, so feel free and get in touch with us so you can be part of the Zed Gear team.
Man, seeing those moments just reminds us of how far we've come, and it's all because of you guys. 2025 is going to be bigger, faster, louder. We're going to have new events and fresh content, and none of you guys want to miss that. So happy New Year, guys, and we'll see you on the road.